tropical storm warning in effect for the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tropical storm warning, which is in effect from 3 p.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Monday. The tropical storm watch is no longer in effect. Recent models suggest that a tropical storm is expected to hit the Connecticut area within 42 hours. It is not known if this tropical storm will become a hurricane or not. Residents are asked to take precautionary measures in case a hurricane hits the state of Connecticut. Hurricane warning for the coast of Connecticut and Long Island. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a hurricane warning, which is in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday. It has been confirmed that there is a hurricane heading towards our area. To repeat, there is a hurricane heading towards our area. Take precautionary measures now. Hurricane Callie, a powerful hurricane with winds exceeding 120 miles per hour, is expected to hit southern Connecticut, including Long Island, within the next 24 hours. If you are within the mentioned area, you should take precautionary measures as soon as possible. If you do not take precautionary measures, you may be putting your life at risk. Take immediate action now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Connecticut Division of Emergency Management. Callie, an extremely powerful Category 4 hurricane, will impact the Connecticut coast, as well as Long Island, within the next 12 hours. Due to extreme impact projected, a mandatory evacuation has been issued for all residents of Long Island, and all residents within 25 miles of the Connecticut coast. It is likely that you will face certain death if you do not evacuate the area. Evacuate now. To repeat, Hurricane Callie will impact the area within 12 hours. Evacuate now. An administrative message from the Connecticut Division of Emergency Management. Hurricane Callie has left the area. However, extreme damage has been inflicted on our area. Residents who evacuated the state of Connecticut, as well as Long Island, are asked not to return home. It will take several weeks to rebuild the affected areas. In addition, here are some stats on the recent hurricane. The highest wind speed was recorded at 182 miles per hour. Over 7 inches of rain fell across the warned area with an impact. In addition, approximately 156 people have been killed, and approximately 6,157 have been injured. Stay tuned for more information on this hurricane and reconstruction efforts. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A tsunami wave with a height of 43.1 feet made impact in New York City. This caused another earthquake measuring 6.3 on the Richter scale, producing a secondary tsunami. This tsunami wave will make impact in Carteret, Woodbridge, Perth Amboy, South Amboy, Saraville, and Old Bridge around 8:20 p.m. Keansburg, Atlantic Highlands, Seabride, Monmouth Beach, Long Branch, Deal, Allenhurst, Lock Arbor, Asbury Park, Bradley Beach, Avon by the Sea, Belmar, Lake Como, Spring Lake, Seagirt, Manasquan, and Brielle around 8:30 p.m. Point Pleasant Beach, Bay Head, Mantoloking, Lavalette, Barnegat Light, Long Beach, Harvey Centers, Surf City, Ship Bottom, and Beach Haven around 8:40 p.m. Brick, Toms River, Berkeley, Lacey, Ocean, Barnegat, Stafford, Eagleswood, and Little Lake Harbor around 8:45 p.m. Brigantine, Atlantic City, Ventnor City, Margate City, and Longport around 8:50 p.m. Galloway, Absecon, Pleasantville, Egg Harbor, Linwood, and Summers Point around 8:55 p.m. And Ocean City, Sea Isle City, Avalon, Stone Harbor, North Wildwood, Wildwood Crest, Lower, Cape May, West Cape May, and Cape May Point around 9 p.m. Remember that tsunamis are waves that are not surfable. Tsunamis are also difficult to see at night. Move to higher ground now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A train carrying passengers from San Diego to San Luis Obispo has crashed at Los Angeles Union Station. It has been reported that a fire has started because of the crash. It is not known, at this time, the number of injuries or fatalities. All citizens living within a 5-block radius are asked to shelter in place. Because this fire has the capability to spread, if you live within 1 block of Los Angeles Union Station, you should highly consider evacuating the city. Stay tuned for further information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. A potentially dangerous situation is occurring in the Pacific Northwest. A major earthquake with a magnitude higher than 8.0 is likely to occur within the next 10 minutes. This is the result of tectonic plate movements between the Juan de Fuca and North American plates. Take immediate earthquake protection procedures now. Go inside. Go to the lowest level of any structure. Stay away from any fragile objects. Repeating, an earthquake is likely to occur within the next 10 minutes. Take action now.